what some of his reasons might be. But I mean, what's also, of course, curious.
Chair, just for clarity, Advocate Arendse is presenting evidence on behalf of the minister who's going to be a witness here, and is expecting the current witness, National Commissioner, to answer on that. But what concerns me more is that the advocate is making an assertion. He is actually saying the reason why the task team or the minister wanted to disband the task team was because of those letters. I mean, that is presenting an assertion as if it is fact. I want clarity, is that procedurally correct?
Honorable Nomvalo. Chair, my understanding is that there's absolutely nothing wrong that has been done by the SC, because he is putting a proposition to the witness. The witness has a right to deny or accept that proposition, and they qualify. If he denies, he must qualify, and if he accepts, he must qualify. He is not putting it as facts to say, these are the facts that you cannot contest. So he's putting a proposition. So it is up to the witness to either deny or accept. So there's absolutely nothing wrong. That is my understanding.
Okay, then the question is the letter that the SC is referring to
but
part
this
of
is out
the
of
statement?
order, Chair. People can't just patch in like what he's
You
doing.
are just doing the same thing.
You can't just patch in.
I was on the floor. I'm asking, Chair, is the letter that we are dealing with now in the statement?
Honorable Sauls. And
Chair, I just want clarity. Is the letter...
just hold a moment, respectfully. So the two honorable members, Honorable Sauls and Honorable Nomval, the people of this country are watching you, and they want to see your best and the best out of you. Can you please show them your best and show them the best out of you? I respect that you do that in the name of the people that we claim to serve. Please. Can we then come back to the meeting? Can I note hands of members who want to speak? Honorable Sauls, Honorable Cameron, Honorable Sangoen. Yeah, can we speak in that? Just hold. SC, General Masemo, just a moment. Okay, Honorable Sauls.
My understanding is that senior counsel is leading evidence, so he needs to deal with what the commissioner has submitted to us. So my question is, the letter that he's referring to, despite the assertion, is it part of the National Commissioner's statement?
Honorable Cameron.
Chair, I just wanted to say I don't think there's anything to talk about. The SC is flowing, the process is working. This is our third day. Things are going well. Let's just keep moving. Let the SC be the SC. Thanks, Chair.
Honorable Sangoni.
Thank you, Chair. I agree with the assertion that everything is cruising, but perhaps just to put Honorable Sauls at comfort. The SC firstly in the morning did indicate that he would do exactly what he was doing, and he explained to us that the General is not going to be able to come back again, and therefore he will put some of these assertions. But on the issue of Mary de Haas, it does feature in the annexures that the general had submitted, even though he doesn't go into the letter. So it's not like it's issues that arise out of nowhere. So I support the notion that we should proceed. Thank you, Chair.
Yeah.
Can I get an answer to my question, Chair?
I
Is the letter part of the statement? Is it here? That's the question.
okay. Honorable Malema.
No, you need to reprimand the behavior of that honorable member. You just called him to order and he's repeating that. He just badges like we're in a cell. Prison cell. Please, man. They must speak through you. You call them to show the best of them. The honorable member, the other one is showing the best of, is repeating that other ugly part we don't want to see, of just badging. They must speak through you, Chair. Please. There are generals here who will arrest people.
Honorable Ngola.
No, Chair, I think also in this submission we must pay attention. The submission by Honorable Sangoni does suggest that what does this which the SC is saying is part of the attachments in the volumes of evidence that have been submitted to us. So I don't know Honorable Sauls' question that he wants to be answered. Because this matter has been resolved. Can we proceed, Chair, please?
Yeah. Honorable Sauls.
Chair, firstly, you must confirm to Honorable Malema that before I came and spoke, you looked at me when I raised my hand. So I wasn't out of order. That's number one. Number two, I'm not the one who's convicted for a criminal offense. So if someone needs to be arrested, it should be Honorable Malema. However, Chairperson, I am merely asking, if the House says, or if you say, Chair, that the letter that is evidence in the minister's statement, is that letter also part of the commissioner's statement? Then let the commissioner say the letter that senior counsel is referring to is what he gave us. Why was the commissioner not able to answer? He had to come back and ask, are you insinuating? And the reason why he did that is because it's not him that submitted that. But if I am wrong, I am willing to step back, Chair. But I have the right to ask for clarity. Thank you.
Look, honorable members, we have had a very exciting ad break. Do you still want me to give you time to go on? Maybe part of the country enjoys this moment. SC, all the documents are attached, isn't it? The matter of Meridihas is not coming for the first time before this committee. And it has also been spoken at length during the appearance of General Mkhwana. So it's very important to the general who is the accounting head of the SAPS. Even if he says, I don't want to comment about this matter, but it must be brought to his attention. And we want to request you to understand, Honorable Sauls, that the senior counsel is right to put the matter to General Masemola. Thank you so much. Okay.
My question was, is the letter, show me the letter as part of the statement. That's all I want to know. Is the letter part of the statement? No, the evidence leader didn't answer.
Okay.
Is the letter part of, and point me to the letter, please, Chair.
Senior counsel, the honorable member wants to hear you speak on this matter.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. The letter is not part of the it's not part of General Masamola's statement, obviously. It was discussed. I think someone made a valid point that I think you did. It was discussed at length. In fact, not from questions that I put to Lieutenant General Mkwanazi, from questions that arose from the honourable members yesterday at length. He spoke about the house. He had quite a few interesting floral things to say about Mr. Haas, which we won't repeat here, General, in front of you. You might just reprimand him. But so it was discussed. The letter, what I'm doing is, while we have the benefit of having General Masamola here, I'm putting to him, this is what Minister Nkunu is going to say, are some of the reasons that he's going to give that informs his decision of the 31st of December. It's for his comment. Otherwise, he's going to sit at home watching the TV maybe. Minister Nkunu sits where he's sitting now, gives his evidence, and he said, no. But this is the first time I'm hearing this. I'm giving him an opportunity to comment. He may refuse to comment, decline, or say, okay, I hear you, and we move on.